I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by signing into your Kaiser account so you can change payment quickly. Have your member ID and card or bank details handy. Once signed in, go directly to Billing and Payments or Account Settings to avoid extra menus. Make sure you use the secure device you trust and confirm the account holder matches the payment source. Now tap Edit Payment Method to start replacing or adding a new form of payment. This is the first actionable move to change how you pay. You now enter the new payment details, select card, bank etch, or paperless billing, and input the numbers exactly as they appear on your statement. Once you add card or bank info, follow on-screen prompts to verify. Kaiser may place a small authorization or require micro-deposit verification for banks. Make sure to assign the payment to the correct member if you manage family coverage and toggle autopay on or off according to your preference. This middle step finalizes the data the system needs. Finish by reviewing the summary and tapping Save so the system records the new payment mode. You should see an on-screen confirmation and receive an email. Once done, make a small authorization or watch your next statement to confirm charges route to the new method. If the update fails, clear your browser or app cache, try again, and ensure numbers match the issuing bank. If problems persist, call Kaiser Member Services with your confirmation number so they can resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.